Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Notion on your laptop for school, step by step. First, download and install the Notion desktop application. It's available for various operating systems. Once installed, create a new account or simply log in if you already have one. Take a moment to explore the basic interface, paying attention to the sidebar on the left and your main workspace. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth start to organizing your academic life. Now let's organize your academic life. Begin by creating a main school page. This will be your central hub. Within this page, create individual subpages for each course you are taking, as well as for specific projects or study groups. For a more structured approach, consider adding databases. These are excellent for tracking assignments, managing your notes, and keeping an eye on important deadlines, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Managing assignments and notes effectively is key to academic success. Set up an assignment database with custom properties such as due date, status, and priority. This allows for clear oversight. You can also link your notes directly to their corresponding assignments or course pages, creating a seamless flow of information. Furthermore, utilize Notion's template feature to ensure consistent and organized note-taking across all your different subjects. Finally, let's supercharge your productivity. Integrate calendars and set up reminders within Notion to ensure you never miss a deadline. Leverage linked databases to create a master view of all your assignments from various courses in one convenient location. For group projects, Notion allows you to easily share pages with your study partners, facilitating seamless collaboration and ensuring everyone is on the same page, literally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.